and you know yourself, and you know this planet, for example, and you know the technologies and the allies that we have here, it's like you cannot bargain with me that I need something that is scarce. So you are in a higher level to negotiate whenever one of these beings comes to sell you something, even it's an ideology, a feeling, a movement to go against whatever, war of classes, of races. No, you cannot get corrupted by that. Because you know that there's space for everything, for everyone, and it's a matter of PAX. It's a matter of PAX. This is the point we coordinate, we interview with Arguelles, the concept of PAX. That is what we have to address today too. PAX, you will see the definition in Arturus Probe, that I loved it, and I bring also the etymology of my studies. The etymology of my studies first is PAX from the Latin means pact, agreement. Pact. So the only way to generate a harmonious thing in between each other is with agreements. Clear agreements that are in benefit of all. So when we in the codes we have always the intention for benefiting everybody, for the highest good of all involved, we are already having a higher level of peace that is in according to the PAX that Arguelles says, that is the vibration that is in the vibration of love, the base agreement of the universe that God is putting there. It's like the base vibration that is in the divine agreement, to put it in simple. Divine agreement, PAX. So we are tuning into that vibration to contribute with the cosmic peace. So that's the input I want to bring on the PAX, that will help us to whenever we have any being that we will have, as we have seen in the Hero's Way, we need to develop our peacemaking skills multidimensionally, and whatever planes, even in heavens, you know, there can be ego things that you have to harmonize. You make agreements by knowing your place, being in your place, as we learned at the beginning, like not saying something, doing another thing, or appearances. That's how light deceives. So we can work. Whenever they come, we can even put them in their places. As it happened to me in this second story I will share, when I